What's up, everybody? Welcome to SHOEGR Academy. Today, we have a special one. We have the Air Jordan Retro 13, and you know how messed up they look. So I guess it's time to show some sugar magic. We are going to use our ultimate kit on this. It includes 3 brushes, 1 bottle of solution, and a microfiber cloth. We're using our high absorbent mat for this and our adjustable shoe tree. And before starting, I'll let you know, we gotta remove the laces first. Now we're going to use our adjustable shoe tree. You can adjust it with all the different sizes. And this is a UK9. Yes, as you can see, it's pretty sturdy now. It's giving it a good shape as well. So first of all, we're going to remove all the dust from the shoe using our soft bristle brush. There we go. We will use our collapsible bowl. Fill this up with water. Not allowed. 3 drops डालेंगे हम. That's it. We're gonna clean all the uppers with our same soft bristle brush by dipping it inside the solution. This shoe also has the suede material, so I'm not gonna work on it right now. Later I'm gonna be on it. For right now, I'm gonna clean up all the leather material with this. It's all foamed up, so now we're going to use our microfiber cloth to remove all the foam and see how the magic happens. As you can see, it's coming back to life. So now we will go work on the suede material. As you can see, I'm not gonna rub it, I'm gonna dab on it. The suede is pretty nicely clean, but you can see the tongue is still dirty. The less of the water in solution, and there we go. For the midsoles, we are going to be using our medium bristle brush. I'm gonna, keep the suede a little safe over here. It's time to get on the bottoms, the outsoles. These are the most dirtiest part of our shoe. So we're gonna use our hard bristle brush. Let's rock. All right, let's clean it up. Yeah. Pretty clean. Now it's time we get on with the laces. So the best way is to just straight away dip it in the bowl and start rinsing it. All right, let's give it some old school method of cleaning, right? Clean it up. It's like I'm doing a magic trick. Yes, guys, so our Air Jordan 13 Retro is pretty dried up. It's pretty much done, but I have these few small spots that are left. As you can see from the back, there is this couple of spots from this side as well. So I'm gonna use the microfiber cloth to get rid of this. Take the cloth, छोटा सा area उसको dip करेंगे हम, and I'm gonna start rubbing it with the microfiber towel. Just like that. Fantastic, right? It's fantastic. Let's take out this dirty one. You can literally see. You see the results? That's how we do it over here at SHOEGR. So before we finish off this video, I would like to show you something else as well. We have some of the solution and water left. How do we get rid of it? We're just gonna drop it all over the mat and see the magic. Sheesh! What's gonna happen? It's still dry. You can see, it's all dry. Go get the mat as well. Go check out our website www.SHOEGR.com. Subscribe to the channel. Watch out for the more videos. Signing off, Mojo aka SHOEGR Daddy. Let's go.